We're looking at the Japanese character here, meaning ceremony or ritual. It's pronounced shiki, and of course, like all Japanese characters, it comes from China. Now, I'm going to show you what it looked like about 2,000 years ago, when it was a little closer to the original pictographs which made up this character. So you can see this is a seal character, and it comprises of two clear elements. The bottom left-hand side, we have this element here, which is a pictograph of a carpenter's tool to measure. On the right-hand side, we've got this element here, which means a stake, and then across we have a representation of the binding, which they used to apparently put around the stake so that they could grip the stake and use it as a weapon. So you put the two together and we get a tool of measurement, stakes being put in the ground at regular intervals, and it comes together to mean a set way of doing something, a pattern, a format, and by extension that came to mean, in Japan, a ceremony. Now, if we superimpose the ancient elements on the modern character, you can see there's the carpenter's measuring tool, and here's the stake, which pretty much is recognizable as the modern character. We're going to have a look at the stroke order now, which is slightly unusual. We begin at the top, as we always do with Japanese characters. So we go across, and then we work down, starting with the carpenter's tool. So that's first stroke, second, third, fourth, fifth, all the way down with that lovely shape, and finally sixth stroke there. And that's the character for ceremony, shiki. These are the words that we need to write using this character in the GCSE syllabus. The top one is sotsugyo shiki. Sotsugyo is graduation, and sotsugyo shiki is the ceremony that they do in Japanese schools and universities to celebrate the graduation of the students. Under that we have kekkon shiki. Kekkon shiki. Kekkon is marriage, so kekkon shiki is a wedding ceremony. And finally we have new gaku shiki. New gaku shiki. New is the character to enter, gaku is for learning, and shiki is a ceremony. So new gaku shiki is the ceremony that students have at the beginning of the academic year at school, when they enter school. And those are the key words that you write with shiki. Ganbatte!